Hi guys, so these are the 3 best exercises that you can do to prevent lower back pain while running. So the first exercise we're going to do is a kneeling quad stretch. All you need is a wall for this exercise, or you can use a bench. We're trying to show you exercises that you can do at home without any equipment. For this exercise, you're going to put your foot up against the wall. It's going to have your toes against the wall. From here, you're then going to come upright with your front foot down like you're doing a lunge. From here, tuck your pelvis under and squeeze your glutes. You should feel a really strong stretch all the way down the front of your leg. This will help stretch out one of the quadriceps that gets implicated a lot in low back pain by tilting the pelvis forward and causing this area to get super tight. You're going to do this for about 30 seconds each side. Once you've done this stretch on each side, you're going to lay on your back and you're going to do an exercise called the Cook hip lift. So what we're trying to do is stretch out the front of the hip, strengthen the back of the hip, and then we're going to do an exercise in standing that's going to bring it all together. To perform this exercise, what you're going to do is bring one knee close to your chest. Hold it with both hands. This space here, you want to maintain that. You want to keep your knee quite close to your chest. From here, what you're going to do is push through the foot that's on the ground and lift the hip up and up. Hold it for about a second and down. Ideally, you do about 10 reps each side. What this will do, will train the glutes to be the main hip extensors rather than the hamstrings or the lower back. Show the other side, please, Sean. And up. Just so you can see the hip extension and up. Ideally, you'll work towards having a straight line here. This will also provide some flexibility for the front of the hip as well. Cool, and up we get. The last exercise we got is an exercise that's going to integrate hip function as well and also some stability training. Single leg deadlift. You can use a stick for this. This will give you some feedback and better exercise performance. You grab a stick, put it on your lower back. It will touch your tailbone and your head. You're going to stand on one leg with your knees soft, and then you're going to kick the other leg back and hinge at the hip, bending forward. If you have a look, Sean's maintaining contact with the stick with his tailbone and his head, come back up. What you don't want to do is move from the lower back rather than the hip. So Sean, go down again, doing it incorrectly. If you're round, what will happen is the stick will come off the tailbone and come back up. One more correct rep. Doing this exercise will allow you to learn how to extend properly from the hip, move from there while keeping the back stable. So guys, if you do those 3 exercises, 30 seconds with the stretch, 10 reps on each of the strength exercises, that's a great way to prevent low back pain while running. Have a great day.